Molweni onsundu, namhlanje ndizonibuza zeziphi lessons that you have been resisting in your life and azihambi zimane zibuya zihambe ziphinde zibuye but azihambi nca, meaning that awukayithathi izifundo kule lesson. Of course, you know, I'm going to talk about my own experience with this. Let's drink. Okay, Betun, I want to talk about the lesson yobana. As you know, that was unseen, unheard, and your favorite in the family, and I also was abandoned by both my parents. But busy relationships zabo zobomi bahambe bendishiye emizini yabantu. Then with that, ndakhula ndingumntana that craves attention because I never got it. So for me to get attention when I got older, I made sure ukuthi xa ndinemali, I use my money to make me feel good. I will put the best hairstyles, the best clothes, the nails, yonke into ndibe mhle apho ndihlala khona. Like my place will be nice, furniture, yonke into, like I had the glitz of everything like that I thought was a success ngela xesha. Like showing naba bantu bebengandifunanga iminyaka uba I've made it. So this went for years, angitsho, because this is the way mna and feeling ati xa ndinjena people can see me. But what I realized that the more ndisenza so nam, like I'm doing it revenge, yabona, and authentically to take care of myself like I do now. I was doing it to show off ukuthi ndifuna unibonisa uba ndinjani na ndingubani mna, yabona. So with that, it attracted wrong friends, wrong companies, you know. You find out connected with the wrong people, because what happens that when you do something out of revenge, the energy is over wrong. The energy that I got when I did things of revenge is the fact that I was surrounded by people that got envious of me. They were like envy. They hated, like, shirt, someone will go and buy a bigger one or a better one and a glitz and glam and stuff. Like people bonus because this is the energy that I went out to go to, and like I wanted to show people and then this is what I got back from people. They will compete with me, and I asked myself, and then people like I wouldn't be invited to indawo zabantu, like parties, as like my friends will not bayoyika undibiza endaweni because endaweni mna benifuna kubonakala xa ngingenile, and I'm smart most. I've always been wise ke noba bendikla ngela xesha bengekazenza i-shadow exam, so so people didn't want me around until I had to work on this, until I had to work on this. Hey, but it took time. I had to sit down with myself and just because I was not seen, this is what I'm doing it in a reverse way. And it's worse when it comes to money handling. Imali yam, I like this. Ndifuna inbonise, like inbonise ubutyebi bam babulapha kum, and ubutyebi bam, it's all mnango kokucinga kwami, it's materially, like it's connected to material world. How do I look outside and stuff, forgetting about the inner work. Okay, that worked for a long time, but I'm still struggling even today of how I handle money. I got out of that, ndayeka ukuxhoma, ndayeka uphila laa mpilo yoba mandixhome ndoyikwe ngabantu nokuthini nojonge nabantu phansi. I worked on myself, and then I started ke ngoku ndiziphilele. So now the struggle that I'm actually having now is the fact that xa ndinemali ayikahambi laa nto yobana rhalela uyokwenza iziphi rhalela isushi yabona. So and I've been sent, like every time I do this ibusiness iyanqaba kum, because omkhulu bayathi ba lo uba ke samnika imali eninzi uvele aphaphe kakhulu afuna uyohlala ema-Vincent athinthini ufike KO4 esela i-cocktail makhe inqabe komali. And I know xa inqabile ukuthi I'm being shown ukuthi sisi kudala sikufundisa le lesson yokubana imali sukuba njena xa kukho imali, sutatazela xa kukho imali. Xa kukho imali, just be a normal self. If ubuhleli ungenzi izinwele, hlala ungenzi izinwele. But this time I told them ukuthi ndenze inwele because ngifuna i-dreadlocks and I miss being like a little bit zazisusa kusuni ndiphinde ndibuyele kulusanda lo uyinkwenkwe. So like, what is the lesson wena mntana sekhaya ovayo ukuthi hey man kudala ndiyifundiswa le lesson but andiphumi kuyo? What lessons have been repeatedly thrown at you but you are not taking them, so that we can explore them in this post? And I believe that tonight I'm live, so we also gonna go deep with zinto. Peace out family, love and light. Everything is working out for me. Apho nyathela khona ukhokhela ukhanya, apho ndihlala khona ukhokhela ukhanya.